Good morning, everyone. I am thrilled to welcome you all to today live session. We are here to uncover market opportunities and strategies to grow your wealth. This session is all about interaction, so we all encourage to interact you more. Right? The more you interact, the more you understand the needs, and the more you will be able to provide our services accordingly. Right? Type in the chat, ask question, and share your thoughts. Let's make a productive session. The more the productive session will be, the more you will be encouraged to provide you the services in coming future. Uh, Let me introduce myself. I am Aditya, a market analyst with 7 years of experience, trading in equity, forex, derivatives, golds, and commodities. I started my trading journey back in 2018 when I was in college. Right. I have managed hundred of crores of portfolio till date and generated a massive wealth for the clients in my financial journey. And all my trading methods are based on fundamental analysis and bit of technical analysis. I go deep down into doing my fundamental analysis. I follow the volume based strategy. I look after the portfolio of their promoters, either they're buying or selling. I look into the FII, DII, their stakes are increasing or decreasing in a stock, and then I follow a very 360 analysis of a stock and go into the market. Now we will look today. We will discuss the overall the market performance, how it is going back today. Right, the market is very stagnant as of now. It is consolidating, as we have discussed previously. Also, the market is at a consolidation phase. On Monday, we have seen a growth in the market. There was a green candle appearing in the market. Uh, the market has given a gain of 1.5%, but yesterday the market was down by 0.01%. Not a very big down, right? It is consolidating as of now, and the market is ranging at a gain of 10 12 points approximately. Now we will analyze the market, what is going on in the market, right? So we will look as of today Nifty, how the Nifty is performing today. We'll look into the Nifty performance. As we can see, the yesterday the Nifty was closed around its previous close was around 24,194, and it's trading around that level only as of now. Only 4 point increase is there in Nifty, and it's a minimal increase. We cannot define the market is either will be going up or down. And now we will see what was this. What we can see today is Nifty is consolidating, right? It's gaining 10 points and it's losing its 10 points, and we can see the high and lows are also not 100 point difference, which is when the stock is going, when the Nifty is going down, people are buying, people are showing positivity, and the Nifty when it's going up, there are some negativities. People want to balance their portfolio as of now. Okay, now now we will see that, like, we can you have seen the today high and today's low. The trading session have started 1 hour before in India, and now we will see the one week chart, right? The Nifty has shown some increase in its weekly chart. The Monday there was a gap up opening. As you can see, there was a gap up opening of 300 points due to the Maharashtra election we had, and there was some positivity going on in the market in the Maharashtra election. But if you see the monthly chart, the Nifty has been constant as of now. Nifty hasn't given a return as of now for the monthly, on a monthly basis. Uh, from 28th of November, we will say that till 27th of November, Nifty hasn't given any return, nor it has depleted, nor it has gone up to extent. And on a yearly basis, we can see that Nifty has increased a bit, right? Nifty has given a 20-25% return on yearly basis, and Nifty is all about indices which contains the large cap stocks, top 50 stocks of India, right? Many of you have been confused what is Nifty is all about. So I want to give you the brief idea what is Nifty all about. Nifty is a index of top 50 companies constituent of India. Like the volume which is traded on top 50 stock, it combines all the volumes and make one index which is called Nifty. Right. The current metrics, the P of the Nifty is 23.28, which is not an overvalued as of now. Market is going through the fear, and Nifty is showing some downfall. Nifty is consolidating as of now. Last 3 months we are looking. Nifty has been not been giving a good returns, and from September there has been a downfall in Nifty, right? From year starting, there was a increase in Nifty from 19,000, 20,000 point to 26,000 point, which was a very good for the market. But we have seen some downfall in the Nifty as of now, right? But Nifty is a promising, like Indian market will be growing. We don't need to fear in the long term. We have analyzed our market, right? And the more further we go, the more Nifty will grow. Even if you can see that in 5 year chart, Nifty will be growing only. Even in the max chart, Nifty will show its growth. It doesn't matter. Look, from 1600 points in 2000, it has grown to 24,000. Can you imagine? Like Nifty is providing on an average returns of 12 to 15% on annual basis, right? But we are not here only for 12 to 15% on annual basis. We are here to make profits, right? A good amount of profit, so we can grow our portfolio and make a good amount of profit. As we have seen in Nifty, there are some stocks which will look which are going great and which are balancing the Nifty as of now. So there are a few stocks which are in green and few which are in red, which is balancing the Nifty as of now. Right, the Adani Port and Adani Enterprise have increased a bit. Maybe some positivity is coming out in the market, and now we can see the Adani Green, Adani ports are showing the green signal, but overall Nifty is down. So there may be the volume of the Nifty, which stock is constitute, is going down a bit, not a much, but a bit, right? Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Auto are little bit showing positivity, the Bajaj Group and the Adani Group, and rest the Airtel, Britannia, and Coal India is also showing some positivity. Cipla is showing some negativity, and we can look the banking sector is also doing well as of now, but it has increased a bit. Hey, SDFC Bank and ICICI Bank is negative as of now. The bank is showing some uh, like the mixed reactions. Like HDFC Bank is positive to 0.1%, and ICICI Bank is negative 0.36%, right? And IT sector is balanced as of now. As you can see, the major IT players, Infosys is in green, not much high, not much low as of now. The banking sector is positive. We are seeing two banks positive here, and TCS is also positive. So Infosys and TCS are positive a bit. Banking is also positive, and rest of the stocks is in medium, making Nifty fall by 0.09% as of now. Now we will look what Nifty is going to be in the future. In the daily basis, you can see that it has been consolidating as of now. The Nifty, which is opened at 24,181, it was a mixed from yesterday previous close, only 10 points gap down. It's same as of now. We are seeing the 15-point gap as of now, but we are assuming that the Nifty will grow. Right, we have to be positive. We are bullish in the market. Right, we will see what are the events going on. What are the news? As we have discussed, Nifty, Sensex are flat in early trade and mixed global cues based on Dalal Street, right? So we will look what is going on in globally. Tracking mixed global Q, Indian market open flat, right? And in SDFC, MMN and Info offset by the losses in Reliance Industry and Bharat Airtel. Like there has been loss in the Reliance Airtel and Reliance Industries and Bharti Airtel, but it has been balanced by the SDFC Bank, Infosys, and MMN. Right, the BSE was trading 14 points lower as we have seen as of now. Among the say, this we have already discussed, right? Now we will look what can be the strategy, right? What can be the strategy and what are the possibilities we can enter into the stock as of now. As we have seen that our current holdings are very established and we have made profit out of it, right? We will analyze that as of now. Now we will look into few stocks which are doing really great, like it's a Hindustan Oil Exploration and NFL and Poonawalla, right? And there are few stock IP rings, Aventel. We will analyze this stock and we'll let you know what can be the future prospect of it and what are the current market situation, and on based on that what will be the situation to buy this stock, right? We will analyze each and everything fully. Now analyzing the Aventel. Aventel is showing a positivity in its stock. Even if the Nifty is balanced, Aventel is going great. As you can see, the Aventel is trading at the level of 154.95. We have provided this Aventel at the range of 145, 146, and we had a take profit margin at 155, right? So, Aventel, like, look, we have given a call on Aventel at 145, 146, and there was a take profit margin at 155. And currently, we are seeing Aventel trading at a range of 154.90, which is, and also made a high of 156. Can you look into that? Aventel has made a high of 156. So we have reached our profit margin into that, and we suggest to exit this stock as of now, and we will update you regarding the Aventel when to re-enter the stock and make your investment again. But as of now, you can just exit the stock as we have achieved our 5% profit margin, which is very important to achieve our 5% profit margin in the industry, right? Now we will analyze the Avental 360. Now we have seen its performance. We have analyzed the stock. We have taken the charts. Now we'll analyze it for the future prospect. Like what can be the future prospect as of now, right? Now we will look into overall what has been the performance. This absolute return year till date was 20.3% till now, starting from the year January, right, till now 27th of November 2024, the stock has given an average return of 20%. It is more than Nifty, right? The Nifty has been performing on around 15-20%, but it has generated more return than Nifty, beating what the annualized, right? And the 5-year annualized CAGR was 106.12%. Can you imagine, like, when was the Aventel trading before 5 year, right? In 5 year, like, Aventel was at 4.56 and now it has reached to 154.75. Look at the tremendous potential it has as of now. The Aventel, which was trading at a range of 4 rupees, 5 rupees in November 25, 2019, it has grown to 154. Right? It has grown to 154 as of now. Now look what is unfolding in the Aventel. What are the fundamental aspects which are unfolding in the market that has taken that Aventel to such a high price? We will do the analysis very deep down today. Now look, the annualized return is 106.12%. Like every year, the stock has been giving 100% return. Right? Every year, the stock has been doubling its value. Suppose you have invested your 100 rupees in a stock, then it had doubled to second year, it was 200. And on first year, it would be 200. On second year, it would have been 400. On third year, it would have been 800, right? And on fourth year, it would have been 1600. And on fifth year, as of today, you will be having 32, right? 3200 rupees in your pocket. Can you imagine, just by investing, if you have invested 1 lakh in that, you could have got 29 lakhs. Can you imagine the portfolio which we have increased in Aventel? Now we'll also look why it is good for the future performance. What has happened in past? We cannot go there and invest, right? We will unfold the potential in coming future. Like Aventel was growing to a very good position, right? And it was made at a high of 223 at a point of time, but it is trading at a discount from its high. So we will look what are the stories unfolding here, and what caused this stock to go down a bit, right? There's a performance. We will see their 5-year analyzed return was 106.12%, and expected one expected return is not forecasted here due to some reasons, but we are here to forecast for you, right? Now the stock, we will look what industry it belongs to. It belongs to information technology sector in communication and networking industry. So we can see the technology, communication, networking, everything is growing, right? Everything is growing, and India has in last 4 or 5 years or pre 2 3 years and post Corona, this 4 years, India has been growing in technology in every terms. The data consumption has increased in India, the net consumption has increased, the streaming platform has boomed, right? And everything which is on internet has boomed in India. The people are more on social networking sites, the people are more averse to the internet as of now, right? So we will analyze like what Avental is into, and what are the possibilities that Avental will grow more in future. Hey, we have a small. Avental is not a very big company as of now. It's a small cap company, right? It has been only a range of 4,000 crore as of now, and it's ranked 839 in the Nifty 50 unit. And as compared to its volatility, we will see that Aventel is 3.83x as volatile as Nifty. It has been trading at a high risk as compared to the volatility. But if your stocks are growing well, right, and if stocks are performing well, there will be some volatility. If stock is in focus, the stock are growing well, the volatility will be high. That risks, we have to analyze the risks. Like if a stock is trading on a good volume, that may be a risk for some person, and that may be a opportunity for some person, right? If the stock is not trading at a good volume as of now, and it has started gaining volume in coming years, right? So we will look what is unfolding in the market, why people are buying more, what are the factors, who are entering into the market. It is the FII, DIA, or promoter are increasing their stake, taking from the retailers. So it's a good sign, right? Something is going to happen in the stock. Promoters are positive about that, DIA are positive about that, FII are positive about that, right? Domestic institutional investors, foreign institutional investors are positive about that. That's why it's increasing to a good extent, right? Now we will see how this story is unfolding. The financial year PE ratio is 78.40. As you have seen, it's a very it is compared to its peers. The PE is on average, right? The financial, we can see the Railtel PE is at uh, price to earning ratio is 51, and it has given a return of 36%. Asta Micro gave us return of 37%, and Nelco has given a return of 30%. So you can see the mixed reaction, and ADC India Communication has given a 96% return, and last Smartlink Holding 11%. So it has given an average return of 20.3% as of now, but its peers are giving a good returns, right? The PE which we have seen, the Nelco has a higher PE than this Aventel, and Railtel and Astra microwave products are having a PE of 50 to 60 range. So we can expect that this stock is not overvalued compared to its peer in the industry, right? And the price to book ratio is also good, 25.11, right? And the sector P is 36.41, but it is overvalued by double. So we should be cautious for this stock considering its valuation. But also have to focus. The P is not only the factor which we should focus while analyzing the stock, right? The P is not only the metrics, but we have to look it into all the aspects of industry businesses, like suppose the P is overvalued, still the business holds a good opportunity, still the business is getting the businesses from big industries in India. The business is expanding, the revenue is expanding, the profit is expanding, and the business is looking promising to you. Then the business always have the potential to keep its high P. Even if you can see many stocks like DMart, Avenue Supermart, right? And there was a stock IRCTC which has given a tremendous return even after the high P, right? So we cannot analyze the stock in the short term. What is going to be uh, technically and giving returns in the short term. For short term basis, you can just consider buying it technically and what are the prospects is available in the near term. For the longer term, we have to analyze it fully, right? We are here for you to make it analysis for you. The price forecast, because the stock is low, so we are missing this earning forecast, revenue forecast as of now. We will also look into the valuations. Now valuations, we can see the valuations is high. Like performance was average, the valuations are high. Market seems to be overvalued versus the market average. Like compared to its peers, the rank is 9th out of 11 this stock. The market is overvalued as of now. Compared to its peer, it is, but you can tell it is overvalued by 2x. Right, and price to book ratio is also good. Price to cash flow is also in a moderate condition. We can see that valuation is not attractive as of now for this stock, but we are expecting a growth, right? Growth in terms of revenue. Right? It has shown a growth of financial growth has been good. That's why this stock is performing well. As we have already seen that even if the PE is high, but we are getting a growth in the businesses, right? Even if we are getting the growth in the businesses, if the company is getting new businesses from big players in the industry, if they are getting contracts, they are able to deliver that services, the stock is automatically makes it attractive. Like even after having a high PE value, we have to compare the industry PE, what are the averages PE, but we also have to look deep down into the stocks, like what is pushing that stocks. Even if to trade on a high PE, people are buying. Many promoters, institutionals are entering into the stock. Hey, there has been revenue growth of 42.18%, right? And cash flow is also average. We can see that all every earning per share is very good. It's 50.77%. So it's ranked third in its peer in growth terms, which are very good if you are ranking more than 50% above from your peers, right? Profitability rate showing good signs of profitability and efficiency. Like you can look the rank in profitability. The major thing which comes in market overview is the profitability of the stock, right? So there has been return on equity of 38.7%, and the score it was 9.5 in 10. And the return on equity in its peers has been very high. You can see the net profit margin is also good, and the cash flow is also good. The most important thing in the market is the profitability of a company. If a company is performing well, if the company is showing the profit, then that is a very good sign for the company, right? So the profitability is good. We are looking into the market, analyzing it, right? So we are very positive in this stock. The growth has been average, it has not been below. The valuation seems to be the profitability makes it to it, right? The valuation which is overvalued as of now, the profitability shows why it is overvalued. Now the stock is now in overbought zone. Fundamental, there has been insufficient data due to it is in a small cap, so there is a lack of data. We need to collect it from its own source, right? And the technical, and if you see that technically the stock is in good time to enter. The stock is not in overbought zone, it's not in overbought zone, right? So it is a, now red flags are very low. ASM, if you see stock is not an ASM list, right? And GSM stock is not also in gray market list, right? And promoter holding, not again, there are some positivity in the stock. There are a lot of positivity. There is no promoter is not holding its stock for the for getting loans and running the businesses. It has shown some positivity, and there has been default. Hey, and there's been no unsolicited message been circulated on manipulation of the stock. There is in like market is not being manipulated. The stock is not manipulated much. It has not been in news for that. Now we will look the consolidated financial statement as of now. We will see the income, the revenue, the revenue part the revenue part from 2021. The revenue was 78 crores in 2021, which has increased to 225 crore as of now, right? So revenue part is also going good, and the EBITDA. Now these are the very complex term: earning before interest, tax, and a different depreciation, appreciation, right? Profit before interest and tax, profit before tax. So these are the complex analysis which we will do when we are more deep into it. When you start understanding the basics of the fundamentals, we will go deep down into it. We will understand each and everything. But nevertheless, you have to learn each and everything for the market. But as of now, we will focus on the basic, and what we'll look at the overall performance of the stock, and we will let you know what is going to be good in the market. Right. So total revenue, if you see, it has been 78 crore increased to 225 crores. So see the thing we can tell that the revenue has been three times from its state, right? From 78 crores to making it to 225 crores. So the revenue has been grown till three times as of now. Now, now we will look into the income. What are the incomes? Even if you are earning the revenue, if you are not earning the income, that is not a good thing, right? So we will look also in the income part what the income is there, and the income is 15.33 as of now. In 2021, it has increased to 58 crores. The income which was 15 crore in 2021, in last 3 years it has quadrupled, like it has become four times, approximately four times as of now, from 15 crore to 59 crores, right? So the profit has quadrupled. That shows the growth in the company, right? If a profit has been doubling every 2 years or 3 years, that's a very good sign for a company. But here in 3 years, the company has quadrupled its portfolio. So we are seeing very positivity in it. The earning per share is also moderate in terms of its peers. We can see the earning per share was 0.63. Now the earning per share is increased to 2.42. The higher the earning per share, suppose we will explain you the earning per share. What is earning per share? Suppose there is a company uh, which holds a valuation of 100 crores, right? And there are only four owners of it. Only four owners of it. So each owner are making 25 crore, right? Suppose there is a company of 100 crore and there are 10 owners in it. So the each owner is making 10 crore. Which is a better company? Obviously, the company which has four owners, they are making 100 crore and it is divided by four. But when a company makes when a company makes 100 crore and it is divided by 10, then it makes it unattractive. The more the earning per share for a company, the more it looks attractive, right? Um, and these are the some concepts you can look. DPS has also increased from 0.07 to 0.20, and the payout ratio is with 0.11 to 0.08, right? There has been some company updates. There has been annual reports. If we go deep into the annual report, we have to take our time a lot and explain it to you. Now we will look into the peer and comparison. We will look into the fair valuation of its stock, the technical from its peers, and forecast. What are the forecast available as of now? The valuation which we have seen, the P ratio of the Avantel is little bit overvalued compared to its peer. But if you see its peer also trading at a average of 51.95, right? So it makes a good combination for the investment. And PB ratio, price to book ratio, is also good as compared to its peer. It has a good good price to book ratio of 25.11, and dividend yield, the stocks also get dividend on basis of their stock price, which is 0.12%. It's a bit low as compared to its peer. Maybe the profit which is it is making, it has been going to grow its business. That's why we have seen the profitability in the businesses of Aventel. Now we will look into the price comparison of Aventel. Aventel is starting from the beginning. We can see the Aventel was not a very good attractive as before, but it has given a positivity here, and it has been moderate. It has been matching with its competitor as of now. Right, Aventel is matching with its competitors. It was at one point of time it has given a very good return in the month of June, July, but now it has been positivity, and there are some average return of 30, 20, 30% to each and every competitors it have. The prices is hold. We will look into the promoters holding as of now. The promoter holding, what the promoter holds as of now, right? The promoter holding trends in the last 6 months, the promoter holding is in a company is almost constant, right? Which is a very good sign. I guess the promoter is not increasing its shares, not decreasing its shares, right? So now we will look, and there has been also been low paced promoter holding. The promoter is not holding its stock. The promoter is very confident about this stock, which is a very positive sign as of now. And the institutional holding increased total retail holding in last year, with now retail holding is decreasing as of now. We will also explain why the retail holding, when the increase in retail holding is here, that is not a good sign for a company, because the increase in retail holding means the common people are buying more of it, and common people buy based on the market situation, on based on their fear, greed and fear, right? And the institutional investors, like foreign institutional investors and domestic institutional investors, buy based on their analysis, their research, and they invest huge amount of money into the stock, right? And they have a good fund managers to research on that stocks. After that, they only invest. And retailer based on the market condition, based on the greed, fear, and market dynamics, they buy the stocks. Now, there has been increase in retail holding in last 3 months by 2.19%, and for but FII constitutional foreign institutional holding of the company has almost stayed constant. So it has been mixed of increase in retailer holding and being the constant of foreign holding, right? And if you see, the mutual funds have increased their stake in March 2024. The stocks were not performing very good. The stocks were not performing very good. The promoter holding were 40.06%, retail investor 29, and other parties were 30.4. And now retails and others. You can see total promoter holding. Promoter holding was 50%, and it has stayed constant from September to September of this year, 2024. Uh, and the mutual fund started their increase in 2024 June, July, and September. The mutual fund have increased from 0.00%. The mutual fund have increased their portfolio to 0.62%, which makes it very attractive as of now, because the mutual fund, other domestic institutions, foreign institutions are buying stocks in it. That means a very positivity. People, the very good investors, FII, DII, foreign institutions, mutual fund, everyone is has started believing this stock. The promoter holding is also constant as of now, right? And the retail investor is also constant, but the other parties holding has been decreased as of now. Now we will look what are the possibilities in. Now there has been insignificant insiders and bully activities. You can imagine that there has been insignificant. Stock is also paying cash dividend of minimal according to its price. It's good only 0.2 per share. It has shared a dividend in May 22 to 2024, and the cash dividend was 1 rupees in July 2023. So it has been paying its dividend constantly, and when the final dividend came in May, it has shared a dividend of 4 rupees per share. So the stock is mixed of dividend and each everything. Stock will also provide dividend on regular basis so that investors remain confident in deal. And Corbett, the meeting has already been held. We have to look what has gone in that meeting. And in Spotlight, Aventel profit was jumped in quarter two, as we have discussed previously, at 42% year on year to 20 into 23 crores. The jump was profit in was 42%, and it has increased to 23% as of now. Now, after looking all these stocks, what we are analyzing, like the final, what are the final conclusion of this stock? What we analyze from this stock, right? So we will analyze this stock on a 360 basis. We will look what are the possibilities of investment. We have seen all the overview, forecast, financials, peers, holding, events, and news. Right? We have seen which sectors it belongs to, what are the capacity, what are the metrics it has, the peer comparison, the growth, the valuation, profitability, what how the profit is increasing quarterly. We have seen each and everything. Now we will analyze what it holds for us. So we have seen a very good valuation of Aventel as of now. Now we will look, the performance has been average, valuation was high, the growth was average. The most of the plan and the most of the things which we see, except valuation, it's all average or high, and the valuation is also justified by this profitability, right? The high valuation is justified is by profitability and peer comparison. The stock is still in small cap. It has a lot of potential in it. The industry which is into the communication and networking still holds up potential. Now, which makes it very attractive for the investment. If you are considering for the short term, you can hold this stock. It's showing positivity as of now, and we have also made profit in it. Our call was given at 144, 145. As you can see, Aventel has Aventel we have entered at 145, 146. As you see, Aventel we have entered on 22, we have entered at 145, 146, and we have exited at 145, 155, which had made us a profit of more than 5%. Right? After exiting at 145, we had made a profit of 5%. And there are many stocks which we have given here in last 2 months, which have generated a tremendous portfolio. Why we are providing this stocks, each and everything live streaming for free? As we are just starting up the businesses, we want you to be connected with us. Everyone wants their clients to be connected with us, so we start dealing in the equity. We are also into the forex market. We are also into the commodity market. Hey, but once we start getting reactions from you, once we start getting connected from you, we will be able to deliver more good. We will be able to deliver more goods in it. Right? We will also start the trading of forex. We will also start the trading of commodity, and we will also be involved in gold trading, natural gas trading, right? Silver, forex trading. We will trade in USD INR. We will trade in USD JPY, USD AED, each and everything, completing the forex from beginning to scratch. We will deal in each and everything, but we want to gain your trust, right? We want to make yourself comfortable with us, so you start gaining something, start booking profit with us, and then you can join us for further updates. And this live streaming session is only available for next 2 3 weeks. We will start the services for the VIPs, right? So as it till it is free, you can take the benefit out of it, make profit, and be rest sure that we are gaining gaining into it, right? Now we will look, as we have already told the Aventel stocks, we have analyzed it fully, and we will also talk the overall performance of this stock, the overall profitability till date we have achieved. Can you look? We have achieved the overall profitability we have achieved was 168%. 168% as of now. Let me zoom it. Right. Let me zoom it. Then we're able to see more clearly what we have achieved till now. The overall profitability which we have achieved is 168% profitability in 29 trades. We have closed 29 trades as of now. Few trades are still open, which we have done the averages at below prices. The market was not supporting that stock. The stock has broke its resistance, right? Its support and has gone down. And now we are expecting, we have averaged that stock. We are also very confident in that stock. We will be performing very well. We have been delivering a great returns for our organizations. We have shown a profitability of 168% in 29 trades. And you can you imagine the time frame? What was the time frame of these calls, the profitability which we have generated? It was all 2 months. In 2 months, we have generated 168% profitability with a closing of 29 trades. Just look at it. Are you able to make profit by yourself? This much profit by yourself, then please type 1. And if you are not able to make profit by yourself, please type 2. So we will guide you, each and everyone who have typed 2 in the comment section. We will guide you to the fullest. We will provide you the advisory services. We will look what are your needs, how we can manage your portfolio, what are the possibilities to restructure your portfolio, and how we can add the new stocks into it, how we can add the new equities. And after that, after a few months of gaining the profit, gaining hands-on equity for you, we will also start the forex trading. We basically deals in forex, right? Once we get hands-on experience, we will start with the forex trading and each and everything for you. Forex beats forex, beef commodity, everything. Now, as we have already said, thus this live streaming is a VIP facility. For next 3 weeks, we are offering it for free to help you maximize your investment in equity. Don't miss this chance. I am repeating it once again. Don't miss this chance to gain your profitability here. This is only for VIP services. Also, I want to repeat it once again. Apart from equities, we deals in forex, commodities, trading, which we will start once we get comfortable with you in the equity trading strategies. Once you start making profit with us, we will start with the forex and commodities trading. Now, what are the factors we look what are the factors we look while analyzing the stock? There is a dedicated research team for us which have a very good technical analysis. We do fundamental analysis, right? We analyze the stock, we provide you the stocks which are going to be good. We go deep down into the analysis, uh, with the technical, considering it fundamentals, right? We look into the moving averages of the stock, 50-day moving averages to 200-day moving averages in technical analysis. And in fundamental analysis, we look after the all the aspects, its peer comparison, its valuation, its balance sheet, its income statement, right? Each and everything, promoters holding, right? And what are the businesses is getting from the big players, and what are its expansion plan, how the sector is performing, how the industry is performing, each and everything. Like we do from top to bottom analysis and analyze how the stock is going to perform, and after each and everything we identify a few stocks and deliver it to you. We deliver it to you to provide the greater returns on that stock, so you are profitable in it, we are profitable in that, right? We together make a great profit and learn together, grow together in the industry. Because in financial industry, everyone is here to make money, we are not here to lose money, right? So each and everyone wants to make money, right? We also wants to know, like, people who are gaining this much of returns or not on their own. If you are gaining this returns, you can type 1 in the comment section. And if you are not getting this much of return, you can type 2. So as we have already told, we will guide you through each and everything from top to bottom, right? And we will take you down to the hands-on experience in equity and our research team and what we have provided calls till now. It's all in an online session which we have provided and closed the session. Each and everything is updated from last 2 months, from Hindustan Oil Exploration to each and everything which we have got. We have closed all the deals, closed all the take profit margin, and there are few which we will be explaining its fundamentals in coming times, why the stock is not performing well as of now, and what will be the future prospects of its stock, and if we need to do averages of that stock or like hold at this position, we'll also discuss about that, right? But I just wanted to know that everyone is here in the market to make profit, right? So let's make profit together. You can follow our services, you can watch our live streaming and make a benefit out of it. It's a free for few weeks. You can make benefit out of it. Once you get comfortable, we will deals in other units also. We will deals in forex, we will deals in commodities, and generate more profit side by side. Like in equity also, we will be trading. We will be trading in forex. We will be trading in commodities. All have different market timings. Like forex, we can trade it in 24/7. So you can, whenever you are comfortable in forex trading, you can come up with us. You can close a close entry, right? You can exit the position 24/7. The forex which will deals was 24/7, and the commodities also has a very good timing till in India we can trade commodities till midnight, right? From morning to midnight. So it is a very good investment opportunity. Whenever you are comfortable at your timing, whenever you get the free time from job, whenever you get the free time from businesses, you can join the commodities trading, currency trading apart from equities. You need to trade on equity till 3:30 in India, right? But we will be trading on commodities also till midnight. We will be trading in the forex market 24/7. So our services are 24/7 each and every day, right? So you can gain benefit out of it. You can analyze what is going to be, and it's not the trading is all about entering the market, take the profit, and book the profit and enjoy your financial well-being, right? So whenever you are getting time, many people ask us like, we are not getting time from job, what we will do, what we can do as of now. So we recommend them. We are coming with the services of forex commodities, which you will be able to trade after your jobs, after you get the free time. So you can make profit out of it, right? And even if you when you will be with us, we will analyze the market for you. We will provide the research recommendation and live streaming session for each and every one. Even you can look into our live streaming session. It's recorded. When it's get over, whenever you get the time, please watch our live streaming session. It's very valuable, and we go through very good research and the live research analysis for you. Now we are coming to closing this session. We will go through the analysis what we have discussed for today. We will just conclude each and everything and make it a better for you. We have analyzed the Nifty 50 as of today. Right, Nifty 50. What we have analyzed, that it was trading when we were there, when we started our session. Nifty 50 was at 15-16 points low, but it is gaining some 20-25 points, making it to gain 10 points at this level. From its below, it has gained 25 points. We were looking into this level when we started our session. Nifty was 24 185, I guess, at that point of time. Now it's gaining something. Now it's it is gaining, but it's still in consolidation. We will expect the consolidation to go on. Yesterday also there was a consolidation in the market. There was a buying of FII, but there was a selling of FII into the market. There was a minimal buying of FII and selling, and the retailers were buying. So there has been dip deeper bit that, but this is a very positive sign as of now for Nifty. From last 2 days, FII is buying for the whole month from the starting of the November. The FII were selling the stocks, but as of now, FII are buying the stocks from last 2 days. That makes a very positivity in the market. The foreign institutional investors which are here are making a good investment in the Indian market. They are gaining confidence into it and they are investing into it, right? So as you can see, the market has been stagnant from last 1 month. FIR was selling the stock. Now they are gaining some confidence after the elections. Election had happened. The Maharashtra election has gone well, and the FIR are gaining confidence in the market as of now. And for one day, we are seeing a stagnant. Yesterday also there was a consolidation, and today also there has been consolidation showing as of now. And we have also discussed about its constituents, what it hold, and the PE of the Nifty. And we have discussed about the overall what stocks are doing well. The Reliance were performing, underperforming, but it is balanced by SDFC and banking sectors. And we have also looked into the Aventel. We have analyzed Aventel from top to bottom. We have done the analysis, fundamental analysis of Aventel, and we have also gone through the technical analysis yesterday. And today, for today, we are looking into the fundamental analysis of the stock, and it has been mixed. Of what we have seen, the positivity were high, the positivities were high of the Aventel stock. The performance is average, except the valuation, growth, profitability, entry point, red flags. There are no red flags in the stock. It is a good time for the entry in the stock, and it is high profitability, which makes a very good investment opportunity for you. For a longer period of time, you can consider investing in Aventel, and it will be very good free. It has PE which is balanced by its sector. It has high PE, but it's the profitability which it is having is balanced by it, right? The overvaluation which we are looking into the stock is balanced by its high profitability growth. And we also think the financial the revenue is being growing from revenue has been gone to 4 times from 2021 to 2024. And comparison in PE, the price to book ratio is good for Aventel, and we can see the dividend yield is little low, but it's good. It is providing dividend to its to its shareholders. Now, from its peer comparison, the stock is giving an average return of 20 to 40%. It has been ranging into 20 to 40% as of now, and there has been no increase in uh, institutional holding, neither in promoter holding. It has been stagnant, so we can expect the positivity out of it. And there has been low promoter holding. Uh, there has been low promoter holding and increase in retail holding from other sources, right? And there has been increase in promoter holding from zero. Sorry, in mutual fund, other domestic institutional, financial institutional to mutual fund, other domestic institutional, foreign institutions. Right, so we have done the analysis of these stocks. We will come to our good stock analysis when we are more when we get in the second session. We have also shown what we have achieved till now, what we have given the entry. Like yesterday, we had an entry in Hindustan Oil Exploration at 190, 192, and we have achieved our first target at 210, 215, right? Sorry, 200 levels, and we have booked our profit into that. Now we will look what it and overall we have also looked into the overall performance, what we have delivered till now. What we have delivered till now, we have delivered 168% profitability in 29 trades. We have closed 29 trades in last 2 months, and there has been profitability of 168% in closing this trade. And now coming, we have taken many positions in many stocks. We have also averaged down these stocks and made profit out of it. We had entered in many stocks and taken a profit, and we have exited that stock right now. Now we will look. We have made a greater returns in Utsav, and our average return in each every stock was 5 to 10%, and we have closed this profitability, we are saying again and again, like these services which we are providing as of now is a VIP services. It will be free for next 2 3 weeks only. Once we get hands on equities, once we are able to deliver the returns to the clients, to each and every one of you, once we start making profit, we will also deal in forex trading, we also deal in commodities trading, be it gold, silver, right, natural gas in commodities, or be it forex trading, USD, INR, JPY, each and every currency which we can trade, right? And we have seen a great potential here. Now, uh, we will look. We will just come to the close of this session. We have seen. We have seen the Nifty 50, which is doing really great. It has been showing some consolidation as we have discussed. We have discussed the Aventel stocks. We have done the deep down analysis of Aventel today, and we have analyzed why Aventel is good, why Aventel, what factors can affect the Aventel in the medium term. But overall, if we see, it is a good for investment opportunities. Overall, the Aventel makes a very good investment opportunity, and we can trust on Aventel businesses, what it is into, and compared to its peer, the industry is growing, the peer sector is growing, each and everything which we have is growing till date, right? So it makes a very good investment opportunities as of now. The performance was also good, the profitability is also high, so we can consider Avendel for a good investment opportunity as of now. Technically, when we want to enter, we we will wait for it, but for a fundamental aspects, for a long term aspect, it makes a very good investment opportunity as of now, talking fundamentally. And now we are coming close to this session. We have discussed each and everything what you required in our session. We have discussed what the Nifty is going to be today, what the Aventel, analyze the Aventel shareholding, each and everything. We have done the fundamental analysis to you. Now the we have also explained the importance of profit booking, why the profit booking is important, and what we provide in the profit booking, why the 5% profit margin we tell you to exit that stock, so you can generate profit consistently, right? And now we want to know, if you have, coming to the end of this session, if you have gained the experience from this session, hey, please type one and join our next session for greater insights into the market. We will be coming live in the next session. In the live market analysis, we will do the analysis what we have gone towards the live in the live market, and you will look what market is unfolding in the live session, right? And and we are coming to the end of this session. Thank you for being here, and join our next session. And don't miss the opportunity to invest and be with us